everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute glittery sun with sunglasses. So, grab your colors and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay! First, I draw the cool sunglasses for our sun. Then, I add two cute eyes, a little nose, and a smiling mouth. Now it's time to draw the round circle face of the sun. Next, I draw the shiny rays of the sun all around the circle. The sun is a big star. It's the closest star to Earth and gives us light and warmth. Now it's time to color. First, I use gray and black to color the eyes in the sunglasses frame. Then, I use light blue to fill in the sunglasses. It's super hot! The center, core of the sun is around 15 million degrees Celsius. Now, I color the mouth red to make it bright and cheerful. For the sun's face, I use shiny yellow glitter color. It looks yellow, but it's really white. From Earth, the sun looks yellow, but in space, it's actually white because it gives off all colors of light. And finally, I use orange glitter to color the sun's shiny rays. It's very big. You can fit about 1 million Earths inside the sun. It's about 4.6 billion years old. The sun has been shining for a very, very long time. All done. Our cute sun with sparkly sunglasses is ready and looking awesome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time. Bye!